So there's a lot of stuff going on right now, mainly been involving Minnesota and immigration enforcement and things like that. And people are saying that Trump caved and Trump is changing his plans and everything. So let's really take a good look at this and see what's going on. See, we're not dealing with normal politicians like Ted Cruz and Ron DeSantis. Trump is not a real politician. I said politician. Autocorrect, I wanted you to put up a politician like DeSantis or Cruz. Okay, anyway, let's just go on with this. Trump is not a regular politician. Trump is a businessman who does business. So let's see what business is going on. Minneapolis, City of Lakes, policy on immigration enforcement. We do not enforce immigration laws and follows the city's separation ordinance. They passed the separation ordinance in 2003, back when they were calling Bush a Nazi, not glazing him like they are today. So when 2, 3, 5 illegal aliens commit a crime and they get arrested, ICE can call up and say, "Hey, city jail, can you hold on to Ted and Ron, and we're going to come pick them up and deport them tomorrow." And the city jail could say, "Nope, we're letting them go." And they would just let them go out into the streets to terrorize the city some more. So that's what the sanctuary city policies do, so I'm told. So Trump sends in this guy, Bovino. Been there 20 years, he's got some experience. So he goes in and he starts arresting people. He's arrested 2,000, 10,000. I'm not sure because numbers are varying, but hundreds, if not thousands, of criminal illegal aliens have been arrested under this guy. A couple of felons got shot while committing felonies. Okay, well, that's neither here nor there. So this guy's coming in. This is Homan, the border czar. Look back a little bit. If you're saying he's better than Bovino, you might want to look back and see what he has said in the past, because he said some inflammatory things. Now, why would Trump switch out Bovino for Homan? There's got to be something there. Now, let's look at this in a football stance. At the top, you have I formation. The offensive formation is the bottom half of each of these pages. The top is I formation. You got a whole bunch of running backs and 2 tight ends. At the bottom is a 5 wide receiver formation. You got 2 on the left and 3 on the right. Okay. In both formations, you have 3 guys. No, you have 5 guys that can catch the football. But in the top formation, you can do a little bit of running. So if your offense changes from 5 wide receivers to I formation or back, that doesn't mean somebody's got butterfingers. You're just changing up the game plan a little bit, moving forward, keeping the defense on their toes or on their heels. So Bovino goes in. He's a boots on the ground type of guy. Arrests 2 to 10,000 people. We're not sure. These are people that are just out in the streets, roaming around. They have prior convictions for felonies and so on and so forth. He goes out, he arrests them at their home. Now we got the admiral coming in. He does outrank the previous guy. Why would they send in an admiral? To clean up the city hall. The streets have been cleaned up. Now it's time to clean up City Hall. Well, hey, look at there. Vance acknowledges that Minnesota Department of Corrections is cooperating with ICE. So state level DOC might be cooperating a little bit with ICE. Now we got to clean up the cities to cooperate with ICE. Each city and county is its own jurisdiction. Some are cooperating with ICE, some are not. That's why you bring in the suit to fix what's going on behind the scenes with the politicians. This isn't a replacement because somebody's being destroyed. This is bringing in the closer for the last few outs to finish the game and win.